Hello, my name is John, and if Vos is looking for information about Tedswoodworking, you are in the correct place. In this video I will tell you all the truth about the program of Ted McGrath. About warranty, content, access to classes and more, and also have a great alert to pass you. Stay with me until the end of this video to find out. If you are looking for an effective and simple way to make beautiful carpentry parts for your home, living room, kitchen, bedrooms and yard, and are looking for a validated and affordable method, then Tedswoodworking is for you. A revolutionary program that for 13 years has been leading the world's bestsellers, and the reason for success is simple. Tedswoodworking is a complete program for those who want to learn carpentry from the beginning to the advanced level, because it has more than 16,000 models for you to learn and be inspired. I recommend that you enter the site that is in the description of this video and see a small example of what you will be able to do. Tedswoodworking is so much for you that you want to specialize in it and make it a profession, and for the one you want as a hobby. For the simple way that is explained, makes anyone was able to do, all projects are divided into 5 steps. Step 1. Detailed project instruction. Everything will be explained from A to Z. Step 2. Cutting list and materials. You will know how much you will need to elaborate each piece, thus avoiding waste and unnecessary expenses. Step 3. Detailed schematic. It's all laid out so clearly that you'll be able to build a piece in less time. Step 4. View from all angles. You will know accurately if you are on the right track, as you will have all the visions of the project, each angle, corners and together. Step 5. As I said earlier, Ted McGrath's project is for both beginner and professional level. So really, Tedswoodworking is a very complete project. So go my big alert. Many people put fake copies to sell, but make no mistake, Tedswoodworking is only sold on the official website. Do not take the risk of buying an incomplete and flawed program, so to help you I left the link of the official website in the description of this video. And also, only buying on the official website you will have unlimited access to the program, so acquiring only once, Tedswoodworking will be yours forever, and this is great. After all, there are more than 16,000 projects. And also you have a 60-day guarantee. If you acquire and do not identify with the program, you can request your money back. This is undoubtedly great. I hope that Tedswoodworking will be inspiring for you in a watershed in your life, and that you make simple designs to please yourself and your family, or even be a sought-after and renowned carpenter from your region. I hope my video has helped you clarify your doubts. If you have any questions, leave in the comments. That will be a pleasure in responding. And if you are already a student of Tedswoodworking, leave in the comments that I will love to know your impressions. Bye and have a great day.